a relief for Odisha. The state government is concerned with the flood-affected people of Odisha and is trying their best to rescue the citizens and provide relief to them. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi began his visit in Dasarathpur block of Jajpur district, where rising waters of the Boitarani river had submerged several low-lying areas. He travelled to Kasapa and Tarapada Gram Panchayats and met residents of Ramchandrapur, Bahalda and Dhobabil villages to understand the situation on the ground. Wearing a life jacket, Majhi travelled through the flooded areas in a motorized boat, personally assessing the extent of the inundation. He spoke with local residents about the problems they were facing and took stock of the availability of essential relief supplies and other assistance. During the visit, Majhi assessed several aspects such as the availability of relief materials, supply of cooked food, availability of drinking water, rescue operations being carried out, and the condition of the villages and the damage done by the rising river levels. After completing his visit to Jajpur, Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi headed to Bhadrak to assess the situation in other flood-hit areas. In Ishwarpur village under Shyam Sundarpur Panchayat in Tihiri block, he travelled by boat through the flooded areas and spoke with residents about the challenges they were facing. Majhi was accompanied on the flood assessment tour by Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari, Higher Education Minister Surya Banshi Suraj, Odisha BJP President Manmohan Samal and Jajpur MP Rabindra Narayan Behra. Senior officials from the district administration also joined the team and assisted in reviewing the relief and rescue arrangements in the affected areas. The floods have affected a large part of the state, with the latest figures highlighting the scale of the situation. More than 7.85 lakh people have been affected by the floods. Over 2.77 lakh people have been moved to safer locations as part of the evacuation efforts. Around 531 relief camps have been set up to provide shelter and essential assistance. As many as 126 villages across Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj and Kendrapada remain cut off by floodwaters. Flooding has affected 448 Gram Panchayats across 66 blocks. Nearly 42,200 hectares of farmland have been affected, causing significant losses for farmers. Around 1,000 houses have also suffered damage due to the flooding. The Odisha government has stepped up rescue and relief efforts across the flood-hit areas of northern Odisha, deploying around 100 rescue teams to vulnerable locations. Senior engineers from the Water Resources Department have also been stationed at critical points to keep a close watch on embankments and take steps to limit further flooding. In addition, 3 senior officials have been assigned to Bhadrak, Jajpur and Balasore to oversee rescue, relief and rehabilitation efforts and ensure that assistance reaches affected communities without delay. The Weather Department issued a red warning for Balasore, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj, forecasting very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in these districts. An orange warning was also issued for several areas including Bhadrak and Jajpur, while other parts of Odisha were placed under additional rainfall alerts. Under Mohan Majhi's governance, Odisha is not only developing as a state, but is standing strong as many times it has attracted natural disasters. CM Mohan Majhi's government has always proved that it is the government of the people and is transparent, approachable and problem-solving. Odisha is a state that flourishes even in the middle of chaos. I am Satvisha Jana and this is India Connect.